So that means the tables are not created. So probably we might need to manually add the tables. So that's what I am trying here now. Okay. We might need to manually add the tables. So there might be some sort of an import or a backup. You will be able to run it. Oh, I might need to leave your that's it's not probably maybe we might